Successful coping with March 20th, 2013 North Korea cyber attack. And CCTV data recovery of Cheonan warship. We always share the sufferings of Korea. myung Information Technologies. The passion and creativity of myung Information Technologies toward global business embraces the world. Facing endless changes and challenges help create a better future. myung Infotech is the proud leader of data recovery industry. Established in 1990 as a specialized data recovery enterprise, myung Infotech has grown as the leader of the data recovery industry, not just in Korea, but also in the other parts of Asia. It is a total solution enterprise recognized by everybody, which started the new growth engine business areas, such as hard disk repair, LCD repair, and SSD development. myung Infotech, an enterprise that is recognized for its optimal solution beyond the customer's expectation, has always been the close partner in the Korean government in time of disasters. And it is a technologically innovative enterprise that made the seemingly impossible mission possible. We implement trainings on data recovery for national investigation agencies, such as NIS, Supreme Prosecutor's Office, and National Police Agency's Cybercrime Investigation Team, boasting on our unique position in the industry. The sales of hard disks all over the world show an annual increase of 10% as a trend, and large capacity storage media, such as HDD and SSD, as well as the mobile storage media such as USB and SD card, are also gradually becoming smaller in size but larger in capacity. In line with this trend change in the field of the storage media, the storage business is also rapidly growing day by day. And there is no need to reiterate the necessity of data recovery technology. To construct a perfect system that can respond to such demand, we are independently developing data recovery softwares, and we plan to introduce a cutting-edge system. We are providing customer-tailored services that have been differentiated through our continuous R&D and one-stop services. myung Infotech, with its head office located in Echoing in Cheongbuk Province, as well as its branches in major Korean cities, such as Seoul Yongsan, Gangnam, Guro, Daejeon, Daegu, Busan, and Gwangju, handles an average of 2,000 cases of data recovery and loss prevention activities monthly, gaining the trust of its customers all the more by transparently disclosing the work unit price and by implementing close management solutions for them. myung Infotech, a global enterprise that accumulated the highest level of recovered data this year, which is about 20,000, and with a total of 420,000 recovered data since its foundation, continues its incredible growth every year through its early management and implementation processes. As a strategy to strengthen its global competitiveness, the company established another branch in China and constructed business networks with foreign partners in Japan, India, France, Malaysia, Nigeria, and Thailand. Through this, the company has started to carry out its data recovery and technology transfer business globally. Sharing the hope with our passion. Data recovery business of myung Infotech. The long years of working on a project for an enterprise can be completely destroyed overnight because of data loss. You can also lose your precious memory. Data loss in the hard disk can be caused by logical symptoms, such as deletion, formatting, overwriting, system restoration, backup, and malicious codes, as well as virus and physical symptoms, such as flooding, lightning, fire, drop, and shocks. Because of these, any data saved can disappear in just a couple of seconds. Although hard disks are much available, we cannot rule out the possibility of various unpredictable risks. As such, there is no need to emphasize the importance of data management and recovery. Myung Infotech has the technology to recover data in all kinds of storage media. As the head of the hard disk head got a speed of more than 5,000 RPM and a height of just a nanometer above the disk, and the thickness of the head sensor components is just a nanometer, a very fine particle of dust or static electricity can cause a very serious damage to be repaired. Therefore, the additional data damage can be prevented only when the recovery work is conducted in a clean room, where the temperature, humidity, and cleanliness is completely managed. In addition, we constructed a perfect security system through our engineers who are experienced in the operation of physical and logical permanent data deletion devices. We can perfectly prevent the data loss through physical hardware permanent deletion process using our disk eraser, a software that we independently developed, and high pressure, as well as through the degausser permanent deletion process. A reliable helper in cutting-edge display industry, Myung Infotech LCD repair business. Myung Infotech is carrying out the repair business for multi-LCD displays such as DID, TV, monitor, and notebook PC. We are operating our systematic repair process through ERP, from warehousing to shipment, and we have a leading-edge technology that can repair even 82-inch super large displays. To improve the quality of LCD repair and to strengthen its competitiveness, we installed clean room facilities of Class 100, the same as that of the LCD production environment. Also, through such cutting-edge system, we are building our reputation with our nearly perfect repair services. If LCD Polaroid is damaged by scratching or punching, most of the general repair companies should replace the panel itself. However, Myung Infotech can repair it after replacing only the Polaroid, which is very economical. Contributing to export revitalization through global partnership, Myung Infotech Seagate Partnership. Myung Infotech, which has been selected as the partner of Seagate, a global hard disk enterprise, is carrying out hard disk refurbishment and data recovery business throughout Asia, including Korea, as well as in the Netherlands and the United States after signing an MOU. The complete quality assurance system of Myung Infotech, such as hard disk repair BET service and 7-step repair screen test, adds reliability to the reputation of Seagate, a global enterprise. Next generation storage medium, Myung Infotech SSD business. Unlike the existing hard disks that are vulnerable to impact, the SSD, which has been developed by Myung Infotech in 2003 for the first time in Korea, is made of ultra-high-speed semiconductor, and it is a next-generation storage medium that can prevent the damages with its durable resistance to impact and vibration. The SSD of Myung Infotech, which can improve the speed and performance of computers, destroyed the existing stereotype that data recovery is impossible when hard disks have already been damaged. It also opened a new chapter in the data recovery industry by independently developing the technology intended for it. In addition, Myung Infotech is expanding its portfolio to various industrial areas, such as industrial computer manufacturing and repair, as well as mobile backup solutions. From desperation to aspiration, from despair to hope, our eye for quality has led to innovation. we offer a new paradigm in the IT business. A total solution for enterprise related to information technology, which benefits the world with enthusiastic passion for humankind, data recovery and solution. Myung Information Technologies.